Today is the story of a boy who not only dreamed but also achieved. Who not only achieved but also set an example. Who not only set an example but also stood as an inspiration for those who are starting their journey from rags to riches. A man who continuously worked on the quotation, "If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake." An American motion picture and television producer and showman, famous as a pioneer of animated cartoon films and as the creator of such cartoon characters as Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck. He is Walter Elias Disney. Born on 5th December 1901 in Chicago to parents Flora Disney and Elias Disney, a Canadian-born farmer and business person. Walt Disney, along with his brother Roy, used to wake up at 4:30 every morning to deliver newspapers before school and repeated the round for the evening newspaper after school. He did not think the job is small. He tried to work hard and finally his struggle paid off. Because his net worth is $150 million at the time of his death and $1.2 billion in 2020. In 1990, in Kansas City, he found occasional employment as a draftsman and inker in a commercial art studios, where he met Ub Iwerks, a young artist whose talents contributed greatly to Walt's early success. In 1922, Disney and Iwerks started a small studio of their own. A New York film distributor cheated the young producers and Disney was forced to file a bankruptcy in 1923. He started small, but his dreams are big. His commitment is strongest. The Walt Disney Company is known for its film studio division. Disney's other main business units include divisions in television, broadcasting, streaming media, theme park resorts, consumer products, publishing, and international operations. He did not stop with one success story because for him success is not the destination. Success is journey. On his birth anniversary, let's get boosted by his life journey and let's dream big like him because the dream is big, so the success is.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.